Alright, hey, what's up, guys? Got like my wallpaper. Alright, so how you guys doing today? Good afternoon for you guys. Playing on my tablet today, and we'll be playing extreme car driving today. Let's see how it goes. So how you guys been? Good? That's good. So, alright, here we go. Couldn't connect with server. Okay, whatever. We don't need that. No. Okay. So I'm gonna show you guys today my car collection in my garage that I have. So I have this Lambo, this dirt driving truck. I have no idea what this one is. I think it's a Ford. I don't know, like a messed up Jeep. I got that one. I have to unlock that one. I got that one. How about you guys say we drive this one? Okay, we drive. Hold up. Okay, good. We have that. Okay, should we go free mode, checkpoint, or traffic mode? I'm gonna go with free mode. Hold up. Okay, continue. Hold up for a second, guys. Sorry. Okay, sorry guys, I'm back. Alright, so let's go. Game for a little bit. Turn up the music a little. Crap, I crashed. guys if it could change like that, go like to all the colors. That'd be pretty cool. Like a party, you guys know. But you know, let's look for a color. Color that I haven't really of getting would probably be some like, yeah, do red. Ready, guys? And let's go. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and hope you guys have a wonderful